Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to enable call forwarding on Android. We start by opening the settings of our phone. Then, using the search icon, we will find the call forwarding option and click on it. If necessary, we enter the call forwarding option again. After that, we may have to choose what type of call we want to apply it to. Finally, we will see that we have different options to activate call forwarding. We will only have to select an option and add the telephone number where we want those calls to be forwarded. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.